John and Kelly's Adventures and the channel. And today we are going to install the wiring for the trailer. And what I've gotten hold of this wiring kit through AutoZone. It's supposed to be the exact OEM fit. And I've got a set of grommets, my drill, and a hole enlarger or step drill. What we're going to do is come in here and down in the bottom put a hole on both sides, a grommet, run the wires through it, install the grommet on both sides, and then run it underneath the van. There's a hole here and a hole here in this work. We're going to come in through there, which will leave the plug in the middle. I'll show you all that when it's done. And it shouldn't take too awfully long. It's pretty much plug and play by the ends. And what they have here. And there's a small set of instructions in here to show what to do, which one plugs in where. And we got a little cap to keep moisture out, a couple zip ties, and a little bag of electrical terminal grease. Helps keep the corrosion out. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing little parts of this, and I'll bring you up to date and speed as I move along. Thank you. Run the wires underneath here on the underside. As you can see, I've drilled a hole. I did a pilot hole and then a step bit, and then pulled the wires through it. Now you want to be careful pulling these wires through, because there is always a chance you could skin some of the coating off, which will cause a short if it touches metal. And I've done the same over on the driver's or passenger side. And what I'm going to do now is take them in this grommet, and as you'll see, put that right over it like so. And then the tricky part is going to be getting the other one in there. So we'll set the camera down, see if it'll film it while I do it. Get that in there, take your ground in there, pull it all through. Well, that went rather nicely. Then we take and run the grommet over to the hole and tuck that in. Once that's tucked in, we'll put a little maybe a little silicone or some weather seal in there to keep moisture from coming up through. Alright, the little issues you're going to run into if you do it. If you look down in there, you'll see the grommet. And what I've managed to do is push the grommet all the way through the hole. So I don't have to go under the van, see if I can get my hand up in there, and push it back up through. Yeah, just try not to get carried away. The grommet's in. And the plug and play here are connected on both sides, and I've tested the plug and it's working properly. And they do say something about this electrical grease is good. They give you just enough. You don't need to go back crazy with it, but I put a little bit on everything. So like Frank's hot sauce. And I'll show you how we did the underneath here. That piece in the frame there, ran the wires over and up. And had guidance and supervision. Lucky me. And America's best friend, zip ties. You don't want the thing dangling around. So, other than that, it pretty much finishes it up. I'd like to thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Any comments you'd like to make, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you and have a good day.